Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Assamese Genius.
আজি আমি most expected questions combined sentences কেনেকে কৰিব লাগে তাকে চাম। Number 1 question, she sang a song, everybody liked it. তো ইয়াৰ answerটো কি হ'ব? Everybody liked the song she sang. Next question আছে, he is hardworking, he is also intelligent. তো এইটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? He is both hardworking and intelligent. He hardworkingও হয় লগতে intelligentও হয়। Next আছে, he died young, it was unfortunate. এইটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? It was unfortunate that he died young. দুৰ্ভাগ্য যে সি youngতে মৃত্যু হ'ল। বা এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰি, unfortunately he died young. Next আছে, she will do well, I have no doubt about it. এইটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? I have no doubt that she will do well. মোৰ একো doubt নাই। Next আছে, Robin is my friend, he is a journalist. তো এইটো কেনেকে লিখিবা? Robin যোন এটা journalist হয়, সি মোৰ friend হয়। Robin who is a journalist is my friend. Next question, you insulted him, this is his complaint. তো এনেকুৱাবিলাক কেনেকে কৰিবা? His complaint is that you insulted him. Next question, where has he gone? Do you know it? তো এইটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? Do you know where he has gone? তুমি জানানে সি ক'ত গ'ল? Next আছে, a boy said this, I know the boy. তো এইটো কি হ'ব? I know the boy who said this. মই জানো সেই ল'ৰাটোক যোনে সি কৈছিলে। মানে দুটা sentence combine কৰিব লাগে, এটা কৰিব লাগে আৰু। Next আছে, what are you making? Let me see. I want to see what are you making. মই এইটো চাব বিচাৰিছো যে তুমি কি বনাই আছা। Next আছে, don't overeat, you will be ill. Don't overeat, otherwise you will be ill. বেছি খাব মনা কৰিছে নহ'লে বেমাৰ পৰিবা। Next আছে, he was ignorant of the matter. His ignorance was complete. He completely ignorant of the matter. Next আছে, Radhakrishnan was a professor. Radhakrishnan was a philosopher. তো এইটো কেনেকে লিখিব পাৰিবা? ইয়াৰ বহুত বেলেগ বেলেগ টাইপকে লিখিব পাৰি। First হৈছে যে Radhakrishnan was both a professor and a philosopher. Radhakrishnan professorও হয় লগতে philosopherও হয়। Next হৈছে যে Radhakrishnan was not only a professor but also a philosopher. Radhakrishnan অকল professor নহয় লগতে এজন philosopherও হয়। বা এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰি Radhakrishnan was a professor as well as philosopher. Next আছে, he is very sincere. Everybody in the school says this. Everybody in the school says that he is very sincere. স্কুলৰ চবেই কয় যে সি বহুত sincere হয়। Next আছে, you can start the machine. You have to press this button. এইটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? By pressing this button, you can start the machine. Buttonটো press কৰিয়ে লগালগ মেচিনটো start কৰিব পাৰিবা। Next আছে, I have seen you somewhere. I can't remember where. তো ইয়াৰ answerটো কি হ'ব? I can't remember where I have seen you. মই মনত পেলাব পৰা নাই যে তোমাক মই ক'ত দেখিছিলো। Next আছে, you turn these knobs. You can then open the box. এইটো কি হ'ব? You can open the box by turning these knobs. বক্সটো কেনেকে open কৰিব পাৰিবা? নবটো পকাই পিনে মানে turn কৰি। Next আছে, she opened the case. She let the bird fly away. তো এইটো কি হ'ব? কেছটো খোলাৰ লগে লগে birdটো উৰুৱাই দিলে। Opening the case, she let the bird fly away. Next question, I can't buy a car. I don't have the money. I can't buy a car for lack of money. মই এখন গাড়ী কিনিব নোৱাৰো মোৰ ওচৰত পইচা নথকাৰ বাবে। Next, the earth is round. We can prove it. We can prove that the earth is round. আমি এইটো prove কৰিব পাৰিম যে আৰ্থখন round হয়। Next is we should drop the plan. This is my suggestion. My suggestion is that we should drop the plan. মোৰ suggestion এইটোৱে যে আমি planটো drop কৰো। Next is he will pass. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt that he will pass. ইয়াতে একো doubt নাই। Next is my uncle built this bridge. He is an engineer in the PWD. My uncle, an engineer in the PWD, built this bridge. মোৰ uncle, যোন এজন engineer হয় PWD, এই ব্ৰিজখন বনাইছিলে। Next আছে, the rain will stop. Let us wait till then. Let us wait till the rain stops. যে আমি ৰখো বৰষুণ শেষ নোহোৱালৈকে। They live in a village. It is 6 miles away. They live in a village which is 6 miles away. Next আছে, the man created the trouble. He was arrested by the police. The man who created the trouble was arrested by the police. যোনজন মানুহে trouble create কৰিছিলে এজন arrest কৰিলে পুলিচে। এই কুৱেশ্যনটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? He is not sincere, he is not honest. এইবিলাক neither বা nor use কৰিব লাগে। He is neither sincere nor honest. Next আছে, he was innocent, he wanted to prove it. He wanted to prove that he was innocent. Proof থাকিলে এনেকুৱাবিলাক এনে that লগাই use কৰি পিনে কৰে। Next আছে, he brought the news. The news was not true. The news he brought was not true. Next আছে, where does he live? Do you know? Do you know where he lives? এইখিনি বহুতেই important হয় দেই, এইবিলাক আহিও আছে আগতে আৰু এনেকুৱা questions বিলাকে আহে প্ৰায়। Next আছে, don't drink impure water, you will fall ill. If you drink impure water, you will fall ill. যদি তুমি লেতেৰা পানী খোৱা মানে বেয়া পানী খোৱা তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? বেমাৰত পৰিবা। Next আছে, the businessman is a miser. He has donated generously today. এই businessmanটো কি হয়? এটা চিপচ হয়। গতিকে কেনেকে লিখিম? The businessman who has donated generously is a miser. Next আছে, why are you so late? Tell me. এইবিলাক কেনেকে লিখিম? Tell me why you were so late. Next আছে, I speak the truth. I am not afraid of it. I am not afraid of speaking the truth. মই ভয় নকৰো সত্য কথা কবলে। Next আছে, walk fast, you will miss the train. Unless you walk fast, you will miss the train. Next আছে, I have some duties. I must perform them. I must perform my duties. Next, this is my friend. His name is John. This is my friend named John. Next, the bird was very small. It could not fly. তো এইটো কেনেকে লিখিবা? The bird was too small to fly. Next আছে, he is not intelligent. He is not brave. তো এইটো এনেকুৱা not থাকিলে neither আৰু nor. He is neither intelligent nor brave. Next আছে, I have lost a pain. You gave it to me. I have lost a pain which you gave me. মই সেই পেইনটো কৰোৱালো যোনটো তুমি মোক দিছিলা। Next আছে, health is very important. It must not be neglected. এইটো কি হ'ব? হেল্থটো বহুতেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়, সেইকাৰণে নেগলেক্ট কৰিব নালাগে, অৱহেলা কৰিব নালাগে। হেল্থ ইজ ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট, চ' ইট মাষ্ট নট বি নেগলেক্টেড। নেক্সট আছে, গড মেড এ কাণ্ট্ৰি, মেন মেড এ টাউন। এইটো কেনেকে কৰিবা? ভগৱানে কাণ্ট্ৰিখন বনাইছে আৰু মানুহে টাউন বনাইছে। গড মেড এ কাণ্ট্ৰি বাট মেন মেড এ টাউন। কিন্তু লগাইও কৰিব পাৰা, মানে বাট বা আৰু লগাইও কৰিব পাৰি এণ্ড। গড মেড এ কাণ্ট্ৰি এণ্ড মেন মেড এ টাউন। Next আছে, the hunter looked over the rock. He saw the man-eater. এইটো কি হ'ব? Looking over the rock, the hunter saw the man-eater. সেই ৰকৰ ফালে চাওঁতে হাণ্টাৰটোৱে কি দেখিলে? সেই man-eaterটোক দেখা পালে। Next আছে, man is mortal. Everybody know this. তো everybody থাকিলে everybodyটো আগলৈ লৈ নিব লাগে। Everybody knows that man is mortal. That লগাই কৰি দিবা। Next আছে, walk fast, you will miss the train. তো এইটো আমি কৰিছিলো, walk fast unless you will miss the train, দুবাৰকে আহি গ'ল এইটো। Next আছে, the boy is not brave, the boy is not intelligent. তো এইটো not আছে, তো neither nor. The boy is neither brave nor intelligent. Next আছে, the man created a trouble, the man was arrested. The man was arrested for creating the trouble. Next আছে, he is poor, he is honest. তো এইটো কি লিখিবা? Simple কে লিখিব গ'লে he is poor but honest. বা এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰি, though he is poor but honest. যদিও সি দুখীয়া হয় but honest হয়। বা এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰি, in spite of being poor, he is honest. Next, he said something I could not understand. I could not understand what he said. মই বুজি নাপালো সি কি কৈছিলে. Next, a man was running away. We saw the man. We saw a man running away. আমি দেখা পালো যে এটা man দৌৰি গৈ আছিলে. Next is the last question. I finished the work. I was taking rest. Having to work finished. I was taking rest. এয়াই আজিলে. Bye bye.